In a serene valley hidden between majestic rolling hills, there lived a captivating young farmer named Eli, drenched in sun's warm rays, radiating a vibrant green glow in his eyes, and radiating a relaxed, friendly smile. He became well-liked and well-known not only for his attractive appearance, but also for his kindly heart and the manner in which he endeared himself to every creature within his farmland community. Each morning, with the sun gently dawning upon him, Eli would awaken to the sweet fragrance of fresh, crisp air, casting a warm glow over his wooden slats and the cozy farmhouse within. He would then take a moment's rest, soaking up the cold river water for face washing, and head out to the bustling bar, where he would observe a melodious choir of animals eagerly awaiting his arrival. Chickens loudly clucked, cows lowed harmoniously, goats serenely bleated, and even the curious barn cat would occasionally up his soft fur against his legs, as if purring for attention. The land would then transform into a tranquil clearing enveloped by majestic oaks and ancient maple trees, gracefully swaying with the gentle wind. A sparkling river would meander its way encircling the property, culminating in a sturdy wooden bridge that connected the farmland to the enchanting wildflower fields beyond. Birds would serenade him with their melodic melodies, as if in a tailor-made song just for him. Eli carried a sturdy basket of feed, tucked carefully into his shoulder, whistling a joyful tune on his way to the farm. In his hands, he would scatter grains and other nourishment evenly around the chickens, who would enthusiastically respond, clucking happily, their wings flapping in excitement as they basked in his kind attention, while satisfying their hunger. Moving on to the pigs, who were his ultimate favorite, Eli would warmly address each animal one by naming them as they stood proudly, scratching their smart heads in a friendly gesture. He would proceed to fill their troughs with fresh, homegrown scraps and the plump veggies from the lush garden. As the warm sun began to rise higher, casting a warm glow over the river's surface, Eli would take a moment to pause and bask in the picturesque view. He would gaze upon the reflection of himself on the shimmering surface beside the tall, majestic trees and the graceful flocks of birds gracefully paddling below. Inhaling deeply, he could feel a sense of profound peace enveloping him. Afternoon. Children from the nearby village would come flocking to visit Eli's farm, drawn by the amusing tales of the kind farmer and his devoted animals. Opening his heart to them, Eli warmly welcomed them, showing them how to tend those goats and collect eggs. Delighting in the laughter and joy that echoed across the tranquil land, every day celebrated as a magnificent celebration of life, nature, and the simple joy of nurturing for the animals, for the land, and for one another in deep connection and harmony.